What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is AJ Sharma, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the glow effect using Davinci Resolve. It's an epic effect, and at the end of this video you're going to know exactly how to use this effect like a pro. Let's get into it. Okay, to get started, I've just added a clip into my timeline, and it appears to be a woman who is in a nightclub or a night event of some sort, but has this bright light in the background. And in order for us to kind of, enhance this light and play around with it, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the glow effect to do so. Now, what we have to do is simply go up to Effects Library to the left. Okay, so instead of searching up and down, we just want to click on the search icon and then just type in glow and then enter. Here we have Resolve FX Light and it says glow. So what we need to do is select it and drag it onto our clip, like so. So as soon as I drag that onto the clip, the glow of the light has actually enhanced. So I can definitely see a difference in brightness. But what if I wanted to adjust and improve the glow? Liking the video so far? Hit the subscribe button. So to do that, we're going to select our clip in the timeline and head over to Inspector on the right hand side and then click Effects. Okay, and under Open Effects, we have glow. So if we can turn this off, you'll see the glow go back to normal, and then turn it on, it brightens up. The first thing you'd probably want to change here is the shine threshold, which impacts what part of the video actually glows. Okay, so if I go right, drag this right, you see the glow is not enhancing, right? It's just like going lower and focusing only on this part where it's light. But if I go left, drag it all the way left, now the whole video clip is actually lighting up. So I'd probably just want to leave it like that, maybe less. So the next thing you want to do is adjust the spread. The spread is going to affect how much of the glowing parts of the video spreads into the non-glowing part of the video. So if we were to lower the threshold and then increase the spread, or decrease the spread, it gives a different kind of more of a pleasant look on the light of the woman, of the subject. So it's something to play around with. And if we reset those, you can also play around with the HV ratio. This is a pretty cool one where you can actually spread the glow horizontally or vertically. So we can go vertical if we drag it left, and then horizontal if we drag it right. Okay. And probably the most common one would be changing the brightness. So it will control how intense your glow actually is. If we go right, the glow is pretty intense. If we go left, it kind of just dulls it down a little. And if you wanted to change the color of the glow, click on colorize, and then let's say we go to red or even pink. So we can do pink and then click OK, and then it's now a pink glow, which is really cool. Let's just reset that now. And you can play around with the opacity too. So what I want you to do is just play around with it, get accustomed to the settings, and most importantly, have fun with it. You can really create amazing effects, glowing effects, and really change up the style of the delivery of the clip just by using this effect. And that's all you need to know about using the glow effect in Davinci Resolve 17. There you have it, guys. I hope you've really enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun making it. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below. I'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more epic tutorials using Davinci Resolve and other softwares as well. Until next time, peace.